Well, good morning, folks. Welcome to a little sea kayaking adventure trip. I'm at the pier, grid reference below somewhere, at Loch Etive with a number of fantastic, like-minded people off for an overnight camp. Current temperature just now is probably about 6 degrees, thereabouts. Tonight's temperature, it won't go down to freezing I don't think, but it's going to be cold. The weather forecast, a little bit of drizzle, light rain, but other than that, winds maybe 9-8 mile an hour. Should be good conditions, so looking forward to it. So come along, check it out, and hope you enjoy it. Cheers. Welcome, we have arrived at campsite. Check this out, how good is this? Marvellous, absolutely marvellous. Okay, so that's me just left campsite. Absolutely fantastic night. Thanks very much, guys. Thanks very much for putting on the trip, Alistair. Outstanding laugh last night. Brilliant. Great to meet great people and wonderful times. There's snow on the hill. Don't know if you can see that. So last night was a cold night and certainly a sprinkle dusting of snow on the hill. But it was toasting warm in my nice tent, sleeping bag, thermals, da 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 da. Fantastic, so it's homeward bound. Just taking another time just to take 5 and just listen, look, feel, all those senses just tuned in to what's going on just around me. It is absolutely wowzers, wowzers. I don't know if you can pick that up with the sun there, but the sun's been trying to sort of just climb up over the peaks of the hill, and it's just not just getting there, just with the winter time, the mist, the dust and the snow last night, reflections, clouds, blue sky, the clouds, if you can see it, just sort of rolling over the hills, the wind in the background coming from down the sea loch. It's pretty powerful, pretty powerful. Loch Etive, Etive. Etive just keeps on giving and giving. I love it. Love river, glen, sea loch. Best place in the world. Tell you what, I am getting a magnificent wind assist behind me. I'm doing nothing, just sitting. I'm getting shunted along here at quite a rapid rate of knots. Yee! Okay, you won't be able to see this in the GoPro, but down there is the pier. All the cars are sort of glistening. That's me back at the pier. Brilliant. Oh, it's a heavy boat. It's Sunday morning, it's about 11:30. I am packed, I'm loaded, and I'm just about to set off. Thanks very much for all the guys that were on the trip. That was absolutely fantastic. I loved it. Great night last night, loads of laughs. Thank you. That said, what an experience. Just my first time in the sea really, camping, cold night, great laughs, great experience. Saw a seal, absolutely fantastic. But listen, hope you've enjoyed it. If you've stuck it through this far, do me a favour, give us a wee thumbs up if you like it. Leave something in the comments below, tell me what you liked about it. And I will see you on the next trip. Hasta luego.